Hey, Caroline here with Federal Brace, and today we're introducing our Archer bench support bracket. The Archer is a modern style bench bracket with a purposeful design that achieves 500 pounds of carry capacity when installed into studs. Installation is easy. When installing multiple brackets for long span benches, space your Archer brackets no more than 30 inches apart for maximum support. The Archer is designed to support standard or long benches in both residential and commercial applications. This part is available in raw steel in a beautiful black powder coat finish. And remember, raw steel can be painted to best match your installation. The Archer's name comes from the design of this product, which resembles the look of an archery bow when the brackets are placed back to back. This bracket is great for both indoor and outdoor applications, whether you're going into tile, stone, brick, or drywall. And as always with Federal Brace, it is 100% made in the USA. The Archer bench support brackets provide superior support and a clean, aesthetic look, so give your brain a rest knowing that this bracket has your back no matter how or where you use it. Thank you so much for watching. For more product information and Made in the USA innovations from Federal Brace, like, subscribe, and follow. We'll see you next time.